Unraveling the phrase, biblical proportions. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in English conversations or readings, biblical proportions. This phrase carries a lot of weight in history, and understanding it can add depth to your comprehension and usage of English. So, let's get started and explore what it really means and how you can use it in your own conversations. Biblical proportions refers to events or situations that are extremely large, significant, or disastrous in scale, similar to the epic events described in the Bible. The Bible, a key religious text for Christians and Jews, contains stories of vast floods, plagues, and miracles. When we say something is of biblical proportions, we're comparing its magnitude or impact to these ancient narratives. This phrase can be applied to a variety of scenarios in contemporary times. For instance, natural disasters such as hurricanes, floods, or earthquakes that affect thousands or millions of people might be described as being of biblical proportions, to convey their severity and the level of devastation. Similarly, significant social or economic crises could also be described this way to emphasize their impact on society. When using the phrase, biblical proportions, it's important to understand its strong connotations. It should be reserved for situations that are truly enormous in scale or impact. Using it to describe minor or everyday events could be seen as hyperbolic or insensitive, especially if it minimizes actual tragic events. Here are some tips for using it correctly. Ensure the situation is large-scale and significant. Be mindful of the audience and context to avoid insensitivity. Use it to emphasize the extraordinary nature of an event or situation. We hope this exploration of biblical proportions has illuminated its meaning and how you can use it thoughtfully in your English conversations and writings. Remember, language is not just about words but the history and depth behind them. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.